stance. Okay, you have to do fighting stance before you can kick. So now he can kick. Just like that. That's right. Okay, so you have to copy him. So I want you to put your feet together. So let me see. Chin up. Good. So you're going to copy him. Come right next to him right here. Come right next to him. Like this. Good. Okay. Not super close. Right here. One space. Good. Okay. Now he's going to get his right foot. So copy him. He's going to get his right foot and he's going to put it behind him. And put his arms up. Just like that. Perfect. Okay. So that's a fighting stance. And now let's do it one more time. Put your feet together. So into chin up. That tension stance. So we see chin up. And then when you do fighting stance, you're going to do loud kiap, just like here. Ready? And go. Good. Let me see. I think you guys can be louder. One more time. Good.